During the holiday season, I love to look at the lights. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about putting them up the right way right after this. Got any tools on your Christmas list? You're in luck this year. Today's homeowner has teamed up with Woodcraft to provide one lucky winner $1,000 worth of tools and woodworking supplies. Now through December 15th, enter the Tools Under My Tree giveaway at todayshomeowner.com/giveaway to win a $1,000 Woodcraft gift card. Again, it's very easy to enter. Just log on to todayshomeowner.com/giveaway. I love Christmas lights. And don't get me wrong, I'm not like Clark Griswold with one of those out-of-control displays, but I do think a few strings of lights here and there really add a festive feeling to a home. The problem is most people use nails or staples to hang them, and that's bad news for your house. If you leave the fasteners there after the holidays, they're unsightly and they will rust. If you remove them, they'll leave unsightly holes that invite moisture into the wood, causing decay and damage. Instead, try using those little plastic hooks from the home center designed to slip under the bottom row of shingles to hold the lights. For window frames, there are self-adhesive Velcro tabs that secure the strings, and on railings you can use good old-fashioned plastic zip ties. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.